Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix a dead PC. First of all, I'm going to power on and see the issue we are having. And this is what is happening. Computer can't boot on. So I'm going to switch it off by long pressing the power button. Then I'll turn this here. So what you're going to do, I want you to turn this desktop. This is a HP ProDesk. So the first thing you do, I want you to disconnect the power port, put it aside. Then I want you to unscrew this screw. Then after, you gently push backwards and slide and move the cover. The next step, the first two things you do, I want you to disconnect the hard disk, hard drive. Then you have to make sure you have a motherboard battery, and if it can also cause problems. Then another thing that I have done here to create this error, I removed the RAM to replace a new one. Third issues. So what you're going to do next, I want you to power back the PC. Make sure it is fixed very well. Then I'm going to power it on. Then after here, everything will start. And you have to wait for the PC. So when that happens, I'm going to click Ctrl Alt Delete on my keyboard to restart. So I expect the computer to boot on, then to ask for boot device. At times when the hard disk is having an issue, so it is asking for the hard drive, boot device not found. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to click the power button and switch it on, off, disconnect the cable, and then I go power on I connect my hard disk. I connect everything. Then after, we are going to do something very simple. We're going to power on. We're going to power on the PC. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to restart the computer. So as the computer restarts, I'm going to be able to see that the window is booting and we have no issues and there is no noise. So whenever this happens, you have to check at least you check the battery and also change the RAM, its port. You can either move it from this side to the other port if you have two. In case you have two memory sticks there, you can also remove both of them and put one by one. So our computer is now booted very well. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel and also click the bell icon either to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to power off the computer and put back the cover. And this is how to fix a dead PC. Then after everything has powered off, you can see, I'm going to disconnect the power port. Then I'll bring back the cover slide it. Then I connect our screw back. Then I put back the power port. And then our PC back to normal. If I power it on, don't have any issues. Then another thing, you have to make sure your BIOS time is up to date. I think in my next video I'll show you how to update your time on the BIOS. So the computer has now worked, and now it's waiting for a password. Yes, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.